Hey everyone, this is Fong with Remax. Just want to let you know that I'll be hosting an open house here at 18665 Orchard Trail, Lakeville, Minnesota on Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m. This home is a townhouse. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, a 2-car garage, and it's built in 1999. It's one level. Everything's on one level. It's got a finished basement. I'll go inside so you can take a look at it. This is 18665 Orchard Trail. We're heading towards the front door. I'm inside the house. I'm in the living room. There's a fireplace, and there's a kitchen there, a dining room, and a lot of nice space in here. It's very big. Everything's on the main level. This is the front foyer. As you walk in, there's a 3-sided fireplace. This is the dining room. And over here is the kitchen. And that's the hallway down out to the garage. And we have a main floor washer and dryer. Hallway. A full bathroom. There's actually 2 bedrooms on this level. This is a nice room where you can head out into the deck and you can see the view. There's no neighbors in the back. This is the other bedroom. Yeah, this is downstairs basement. You can see it's wide open. There are a lot of. This is the back side of the house. You can see the deck. And also a walkout patio. It's pretty quiet here. It's very close to 35